Greenpoint has been completing VIP interiors for many years, and through that time, we've brought in-house the experts of design, engineering, and the craftsmanship needed to complete such refined interiors.
99.9% of us will really only see the interior of a commercial aircraft. And so being able to be on an aircraft that's had hundreds of thousands of hours of labor go into it, to walk on it it's quite something. It's pretty spectacular, actually. It's not a production facility where we make 1,000 of one thing. We make one thing one time, and it's to solve a unique problem that may never have been solved before. One of our strengths is that collaboration between the teams. We try not to hand over problems. We try and solve them as far upstream as possible.
Anytime you're doing something that's one of a kind, it has lots of challenges, but that's what makes this role exciting. You don't know what it's going to look like. You start off with, a napkin drawing or an idea, and you can see it progress.
There's no manual for doing these types of VIP interiors. In many cases, we're writing that manual, we're writing the path forward. Right from the very beginning, it's a partnership with the client. Our interior design team starts out the project working with them very closely to understand how they want the interior to look and feel and how they're planning to utilize this aircraft.
It definitely is a million little decisions or more. There's a lot of going through that concept development phase with the customer to really understand what they're looking for and what they want, whether it's a calming environment or something that's more modernized. What's great here at Greenpoint is that it's almost motivational when we get these challenging requests, because everyone just wants to be able to create the best product and something that's new and innovative.
From then, it moves into our engineering department, who further defines the parts and the pieces and the technical aspects of it. Once we're done in engineering, it's moving down to our manufacturing facilities, and the master craftsman that Greenpoint employs starts putting this dream together. And then that all converges out into our Moses Lake modification facility, where we take the aircraft, all of this great interior, and bring it to life.
Really want the customer to walk in and have them feel like, oh yeah, this is the interior that we wanted. This is it. And it's just the best feeling as a designer to see their faces light up when they see the interior.
Aerospace in general is challenging. There's so many curveballs that get thrown our way. There's a lot of industry pressure, but it's really being tenacious, making sure we're communicating, we're raising our hand when there's an issue.
The completion business is about trust. The customer is entrusting a significant investment of money and a significant asset in their aircraft. Why should the customer trust us? Because of our experience, because of our team, because a completion is really about the people that do the work. It's not about the hangars or the equipment. It's about the people that are there and the hearts and souls that go into that completion.
We're relying on our craftsmen's experience, knowledge, problem-solving skills. And they're an Agile Bunch. They're all willing to learn a new skill, try something different.
And the sense of accomplishment, doing something that nobody else in the world is doing, it's amazing. All the work that we put in, we get to see the final product, and we get to see it fly away. And that experience is incredible.
Generally, the whole company gets together to celebrate. We live stream the aircraft flying away into the sunset and sort of, watch that and round of applause. And honestly, the next day, it's, okay, what's the next challenge?